Hello and welcome back to Mystery Systems. Today I will be showing you how you can set up a very basic, simple configuration with Ospf authentication between two routers. So let's jump right into it. To get the basics out of the way, I have just given these two routers their hostname, no IP domain lookup, an IP address on their interfaces, and switched them on and a bit of Ospf configuration. So I think we should just jump right into the authentication part of it. As you can see here on the interface that I have used on both routers, gigabit 000, I have said that I want to use message dearest key, and this is MD5 hash authentication, and it will have this group ID or this key ID, which is 1, and the code that they will be using is area 0 rocks and this. So yeah, and that's on both of the interfaces on both routers. After you have been putting the MD hash authentication with the password and the key ID onto the interfaces, you will be configuring the process ID here of the Ospf with the area 0 here with the authentication. So it's gonna be globally in area 0 that you use the authentication with MD5. So that means that it's already been done on area 0. So you can't just try to make an interface without authentication, because you have set with this command that globally in area 0 you have to use MD5 authentication. You do have to set this password on the interfaces for these to form neighborship, so you can't just put in another router and think that it will form neighborship with these routers. So that router interface, if you had a router 3, you would have to give that the same password so on its interface. So the same command here, as you can see. There is a newer alternative, but I haven't used that. In authentication, you can use SHAR HMAC255, but that's on newer equipment. I have not really experimented with that in Packet Tracer, but I will highly recommend you to use instead of MD5. And now I'll just show you that it actually works with the neighborship, that they actually formed their neighborship with the routers. So as you can see on router 1, it has formed a neighborship with router 2. You can go into the database as well to show that there's actually information as well, as you can see here. That's about it, how you can make simple authentication on an area, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye.